Hello, my friend. Pare, mare, tike? I heard news, huh? Duterte said stay at home. Okay? Stay home because of this coronavirus. Singil ako, ha? Singil ako. This is the time. Stay at home. Ako singil.
A few moments later.
Pilipini, you know, very clever. I'm from there. I saw door open. No dog. There's a person. Pero ako singil. Sila ubo-ubo. Ako takot singil. No good. Why like that?